It is our 23S Granite Ridge, very similar to our 22T Granite Ridge. Major difference being this is on the Mercedes Benz chassis. So it is an all-wheel drive chassis, diesel engine. Folks, you're going to love this. This chassis is an incredible chassis. You're going to notice that the things that we've done to the Granite Ridge on the Transit chassis, very similar to what we've done here. We've put all-terrain tires on this coach. This coach is going to be approximately 15 inches longer than our Transit Granite Ridge, and that's simply because of the wheelbase we bring in from Mercedes Benz. But one thing, if you've watched the video from us, we debuted this at our dealer homecoming in Las Vegas in July. We've made a change, and quite honestly, folks, it comes from our dealer's request and your request. Let's go inside and check this out. We love the fact that this lounge seating area opens up this main area, so it's quite wide and quite vast. Now, if you saw our video from our dealer homecoming, you will know we had an L-shaped lounge here. We changed that to a straight bench. Why did we change that? Because one, it opens up this main area. It's less congestive, and two, this could easily be a sleeping area for a small child, or the end of the day, this unit has been optioned with a front television. I can move these lagoon tables and I can kick back here in a lounging position and just watch the television. So this is a big change that we made. If you've seen our last video on this, you'll notice this is different, and I believe you'll love it because, as I said, this came from requests from our dealers and also viewers of our videos. So 23S Granite Ridge on the Mercedes Benz chassis, highlighted by the rear twin bed area. Also on the exterior, massive pass-through storage.